Hey guys, this is Seth at Q Sales Inc. and this is a virtual inspection by video. We're going to start this machine up and run and operate it, and then we're going to inspect the major components. This machine starts up and it runs and operates well. Machine has brand new rear tires on the back. The deck paint has been touched up on this deck, but it's in very good operating condition. One thing to note is it does have a bit of a dent right here. It does not affect the performance of the machine, but the deck is in good operating condition. Very nice 15 horsepower Kawasaki engine. It starts right up and runs and operates well. Your 5-gallon fuel tank. This is your console with your key switch, speed control, and throttle. This is your blade engagement. Hydro pumps are in good operating condition, as well as the wheel motors. Everything operates well as far as the hydraulics go. If you have any questions, feel free to message us. Thank you. Hey guys, thanks for viewing our videos. If you have any questions, feel free to send us a message. We can ship these machines pretty much anywhere, so if you want a shipping rate, feel free to contact us. And thanks again for watching. Have a great day.